I got a treat for y'all today. My boy Charleston White was on the Danza project. I hope I'm saying that right. And he was dropping some bombs. You hear me? Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. I want to know, what do you guys think about this, man? All right, here we go.
Believe one woman can completely satisfy all of a man's needs. That's why some men watch porn. That's why they go to the strip club. That's why they don't come home straight after work. I think that's why most spend time with their friends, their homeboys, because the woman who they're with only satisfied a portion of their needs and their desires. So that's why many men cheat.
Mind if I interject for 1 second?
Nah, go ahead.
I believe that the main reason that occurs is in relation.
Hey, shh, be quiet, bro. No, I'm joking. But I'm tripping on how Brittany Renner was shaking her head no. I'm just curious. I'm not saying that, she was disagreeing, but I'm curious as to why she was shaking her head no. And if she was shaking her head no because she disagrees, I would say this. If you are not getting the results that you want when it comes to finding, and keeping a man, and you have a guy that has came along, and this guy, from what he said, has a wife and a girlfriend, so he has found some success when it comes to relationships, you automatically tell him that he is wrong. But you don't have anybody, but he does. I don't know. It's just curious to me when I hear or I see certain people that don't have the results that they want in life, especially when it comes to a relationship. And they are out here steady telling people that they are wrong about relationships when the other person that's talking about relationship actually has found some success in having a relationship. I don't know. I'm just curious. Not necessarily saying that she was disagreeing, but she was shaking her head. So I'm just curious.
Relationships, a lot of relationships, especially when it comes to when it comes to women, they're afraid to allow a man to live their life. Right, but on the same note,
I was raised to believe
that. Go for it. But at the same time, you see that with a lot of men with their women, and we restrict. A lot of couples restrict one another from being who they truly are. You got to remember, most often when you meet, I'm 38 now. I met my girl when I was 34. Right, I already am a lot who I am. Okay. Right, I'm well into my life. She's well into her life. Right, she was 23, and we are. Yep.
In European Western culture, do people believe a man should be with one woman? That's only a European Western culture. Belief. Outside of that, every other race and every other woman understands that it's in a man's nature by design, because God created a man, his whole makeup, his drive, his desire is to have sex and to eat food. No woman would ever understand that because she's never had a heart on.
I feel the same way.
God, my whole desire as a man, when I wake up, is to eat food and have sex. What centers around that? Getting a job so I can buy steaks, eat lobster, buy Louis, get a Rolls Royce. What does all that do? Get me more pussy, make my woman listen to me. Because if I couldn't bring that in, she ain't gonna listen to shit I say. As honest as I can be broke, she don't give a damn what I'm saying broke. As an honest man broke.
Yeah.
So as a man, you struggle with that. Growing up from a little boy, turned on by everything that you see. That's why men are turned on by their sight and women are turned on by what they hear. A woman design, whole design is not sex driven. She's in her emotions. She's feeling because she has to nurture. She has to nurture children. So it's two totally different worlds. And so only when you start to adapt to Western culture do you start to think that one man is supposed to have one woman. That's why the man in America die faster than anybody on earth, because he's going against his nature. If the woman spent more time trying to be a better woman and didn't worry about what the man did, if he didn't bring no diseases home, if he didn't have no women knocking on the door, then she really don't know what he's doing. She don't know what he's doing if she's at home taking care of the kids and developing herself as a better woman, reading books, sewing, whatever she's doing. But if she's worrying about a man, she gonna catch him with men and women.
I can't lie, right? I can't. I feel like I gotta speak. I feel like I gotta speak.
So as a man, this is what I tell my woman: you can't ask me nothing about what I'm doing as a man when I leave this household if all these bills is paid. You don't ask me nothing about what I'm doing as a man. Let me be a man, because a man go be a man.
I don't want to be like questioned for the I do, and I will say that. But I don't want two women. I want one. I feel like I could. I just want one that believes in me, and I believe in her. That's it. And I hear what you're saying. I've heard it a lot. You know what I mean, about people's beliefs and shit like that. But for me, I think the most important part is me personally. I'd rather have just one.
They seem like some miserable guys.
What, the people that just have one?
Them seem like some miserable, unhappy guys having to go. Them could complain more than anything, man. I got it seem like going home to the wife be hell for them guys. Them guys seem like some of the most miserable guys in the world.
And I think there's growth that has to come with it.
And what age? Because I'm watching the old and the young both seem miserable.
I'm in a relationship with a 26-year-old. Right, who is pregnant with another baby on the way?
Okay. That got to do with me.
11-year age gap, right?
Yeah, and I know there's a big.
Drag him
for the record.
Yep. Come and drag me. I don't mind.
Please.
Shit. I don't mind. Go look at her. I was not gonna make the mistake and let her go. But for me, it's like I don't know. I feel like energy is a big thing for me, and I feel like if you have two women, you gotta give away some of that energy. And I feel like, okay, I'm a father now, right? 16 months. I'm not like some super experienced father that knows it all. But I will say this, I'm definitely not giving my side energy that I could be giving to my son. My son deserves that.
Fuck my son. I would at home with his mama for. That boy. Hell nah, man, I don't love the kids that much. That's what the woman at home for. I'm gonna get when he get older to show him how to do what I'm doing. No. I don't want to be at home nurturing. I was the single dad who had, my baby mama used to dance. So I had my baby mama dancing when she was 5 months pregnant with my daughter. So I was at home keeping the kids, call myself playing pimping. So when my daughter was born, my whole concept changed. My baby mama ended up going to jail. She was on the run for a few years. So I had my daughter when she was like 3 months old, homie. So I had to play single dad with 2 kids pretty much most of their life. So I was at home nurturing, cooking food.
Props to you for doing that.
I was miserable. I was miserable, homie. I was miserable. I was depressed. I was struggling financially. Nah, homie, I don't want to be at home nurturing or giving the kids all my time. Never in history have the man do that, because I got to go out and hunt. Them kids, I should have been dropping them off with mama and them and my sister and them, going out getting the money like I'm getting now. Nah, homie, so nah, man, I want to be just like the men before me. I want to be strong just like all them kings that got to have 300 wives and 400 hoes. I want to be like that king, homie. I don't want to be like the working man bound to one woman till he die and don't nobody appreciate him and tell him how good he was until after he dead. I don't want to be that man. I want to be that sorry motherfucker that all the women fighting over at the funeral. He done left money here. He got money over here for his side. He got a kid over here don't nobody know about, but he don't take care of, but got his last name. I want to be that. Nah, homie, I want to enjoy earth. With one man taking care of the kids is miserable. I'm 46 years old and I've been paying attention to what man dies happy. I want to die happy.
When's your birthday?
May 17, 1977. Yeah, I want to die happy.
The suns and the stars and the stars.
Yeah, nah, fuck them.
Are you
man.
matching it up?
Don't ridicule.
Man, fuck them babies.
Yo, shout out to my mom, by the way. My mom's watching. She's like, these people in the chat.
I already could
Yeah,
get
you
should. Hey, cause guess what? I'm gonna leave some money for them. I'm gonna leave some money behind when I die. They don't give a damn how daddy did, mama. Yeah, daddy had fun.
Plenty.
Oh my goodness, bro, man. I don't think I watched that thing all the way through the first time. When I tell y'all, Charleston White, man, is funny, be dropping some game all in the same, man. Listen, good. Oh my goodness, bro, man. I don't think I watched that thing all the way through the first time. When I tell y'all, Charleston White, man, is funny, be dropping some game all in the same, man. Listen, good. Hold on, wait. Whoa! Honestly, I want to know, what do you guys think down in the comments about everything that he said? I feel like it was too much to freaking unpack, man. Too much to honestly unpack. I want to know, what do you guys think about some of the things that he was saying pertaining to how men are and how women are? How men are supposed to operate and how women are supposed to operate. Do you disagree? Y'all let me know down in the comment section below, all right? Anyway, with that being said, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.